Hey guys, today I'm giving you a quick review of the Decathlon Triban GRVL 120 gravel bike for 2026 and whether it's actually worth your money. So I've spent some time riding this bike on a mix of tarmac, gravel paths, and a few rougher dirt roads. And honestly, the first thing that stands out is the comfort. The aluminum frame with the carbon fork does a really good job of smoothing out vibrations, especially for an entry-level gravel bike. Now, this is very much a beginner-friendly setup. You've got a simple 1x10 micro-shift drivetrain, which keeps things easy, but don't expect super crisp or fast shifting like higher-end Shimano systems. It gets the job done, just not in a premium way. On the road, it feels stable and predictable, and on gravel it holds its line pretty well. But it's not a hardcore off-road machine. It's more of a go explore and enjoy the ride kind of bike. The biggest win here is value. For the price, you're getting a solid frame, decent components, and real versatility. So, final verdict? If you're a beginner or just getting into gravel riding, the GRVL 120 is definitely worth considering.